Okay, so hello everyone. Today is 28th of July. Let's see what I saw in the market in Euro USD today. So if you see at yesterday and then the sideways move. So, so the sideways move, this was the 50 magnetic level and it completed its target. Here there was a setup created again when on the target done, took out the lows. And then in the sideways move, I saw a few opportunities that will go over on the lower time frame. This was the consolidation. This was setup getting completed. 50 was the level that I was looking to, and ideally, 50 was the level where I got an opportunity to enter, but it never did. This was previous. It never gave an opportunity to enter at 550. So we see today what. So when it did not touch, meant that it has to come back to this. It made a plan so that it comes back to this level. Okay. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frame and see what happened here, what we saw, how we took it, and everything. Okay, so here we are. So this was the setup. This is where I entered. I closed right here. Then this move, like move from here. I entered here. I here in decent profit. And I was looking at the Golden Cup, which was it didn't happen yesterday. It was a pending day. So today there was a sideways move. So this target was taken. I was expecting the market to come to this level and then flip, but it flipped at 61 here. Then it just consolidated to the target in Asia session. Then London session, again it took the target over low. Then with power of London session, it started to go up. So let's see what happened in the consolidation today. Okay, so I'm on 5 minutes chart. What I saw was this was the lower low, and I saw that this could have been a setup. First touch, second touch, target turn. Good. I thought that this is setup. So I draw on a fib. Okay. Then the cup. I was trying to analyze to see if the cup, the golden cup setup, is forming or not. So first leg, first rule, it breaks straight down without touching 50. Then it came to 50, then came back to this target level. Then it flipped This is this third leg of the setup. Ideally, it should have went here, touched to the 61 right here, and then went the bend, took the highs. This right here. This is the setup I draw. This is the golden setup. I was waiting for it, but this did not happen. It just went down. It went down, took the reverse of this flip, so it took the target. Then it flipped here. I saw again there was a setup. This was a new low. Target was done. This was a new low. Then it went up one touch, two touch, and I draw one more flip here, similar to this flip. So this is the flip. This is the 50 level. This is the target level. Then it flip. And we saw a huge move. So now here also there are two caveats. Okay. First is the exact respect of the lower fib. This was the target. This was the fib. This was 50 touch. Take the 0 or 100. Go back to 61. Come back to 38 and take out this high or this 616. This was one. And second one was I was waiting for this move to happen. This also got merged into this trend day, trend move. How let's see how it got merged. So it was right here. So waiting for it to go and take out this. It did exactly the same. It did exactly the same. It came to 38, then it dropped to 61, and then it went and gave the target. So it gave two setups, two golden cups. And then it did not respect the first one, but then the later when it respected the lower one, then it respected the higher one as well. So this is where you could have made money if you had taken risk. So this thing is like you have to wait. Okay, let me tell you how many times you have to wait. Wait, see the setup. First leg wait, second leg wait for the setup to be taken out by the market. Then come back to the 50. A small flag is there. Second one, there is a then yeah, then this was cascaded. These two curve cascaded into each other. First curve respected, moved up. Second curve respected, moved up. So this was two curves, one after the other. And this move was a huge move. Our anticipation that it will come back to this 50 destroyed. And why it did not came to this 50? Because if it would have come to this 50, then it would be an indication that market was going to reverse. So obviously market did not want to give the indication because it wants to go down. So it break this level, break 38. Now there is no setup saying that if it touches this and takes out this, then it's a reversal. When it just broke through it, then there is no reversal. A market is going to go down trend. Okay, that 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 is pretty much it. This was a huge move. They are trying to capture. Sure. So this was a study today. Two golden cups respected one after the other. Now what will happen tomorrow? So for tomorrow, this is the move. High low came to 23. Is going down. Ideally, ideally, this is the low. So it should have came to this level and went down. So right now it is doing the same thing. I believe it came to this 50 and it's going to drop down until here. That is it for this video. Thank you.